In the previous video, you have learned Quick Report using Flex and different methods by which you can get the stock to the condition reporting booth, that is Condition Report Pro and 3D Report Pro in Flex, Paper Method, and Pre-Advise. Also, we learned to re-rotate the item using Flex. Here in this video, we will explain the different methods of completing the condition report from this point onwards, which can be done either by using the Flex Android app or by using a computer available in the booth with access to warehousing. Later in this video, you will learn how to put the stock back in the warehouse as well as viewing the report. In the warehousing, if you go to the condition reporting window and click on the outstanding tab, you will see the items that await condition report to be completed. Let's take the Flex app. Now let's go back to the item that is waiting in the condition booth for its professional report to be completed. This is where we concluded the previous video. We can see the number of rotations ready to have their condition reports completed on the awaiting CR button. Let's click it to see the list. The screen can be filtered to show records in a single location using the filter at the top of the screen. Press an entry to add the report. The report screen opens. If you have re-rotated the item, then you would find the new rotation number displayed here. The same internal toggle button is available to choose whether the report should be hidden from customers or publicly available. The type is mentioned at the bottom. If everything is correct, press the confirm and take photo button. The status in warehousing is now updated to in progress. In Flex, you will be directed to the Take Photos screen where you have the photo taking and uploading options. Since we are entering a professional report, the photos are usually taken with a high quality camera and photography equipment. Different camera manufacturers have different apps available for connecting to your cameras. These are outside the scope of this video. However, this generally allows you to download the photos from the camera to the device's photo gallery. So, use the photo gallery button to select and upload those images. The remark button can be used to enter observations. The same way as we can in warehousing, this is optional. After uploading or taking the photo, click Finish. At this point, the data is uploaded to warehousing and available to view from there or other connected systems such as the CIS website. We will come back to these later on in the video. Repeat the same process for the remaining items that are awaiting the condition report in the booth. Now, let's do the condition report using a computer available in the booth with access to warehousing. Go to the Outstanding tab of the condition reporting window in warehousing. Here, you can find the stocks that are waiting in the booth with pending re-rotation. This must be carried out first. Double-click the entry you are working with to load its details into the Enter New Report tab. Using the Re-Rotate button, generate a new rotation number for your item. The current stock and condition report request information is shown on the left side. On the right side, we have the condition report type pre-filled from the request. An internal checkbox which can be selected to keep this report hidden from the customers. A notes toggle which turns the fields below on or off. Some warehouses use these to provide more information from the physical check to the customer rather than just providing photos. The invoice cases should be set to the number of physical cases photographed. This information can be used to ensure case-based charging is recorded correctly. At this point, we just have to select the photos to attach to the report. Since we are entering a professional report, the photos are usually taken with a high quality camera and photography equipment. Different camera manufacturers have different apps available for connecting to your cameras. These are outside the scope of this video. Use any available method supported by your camera to transfer the photos to your machine and click the Browse button to select them. By clicking Save Report, the images will be uploaded and we can see that the status of the report will transition to Return to Warehouse. That's the condition report completed. It will now be ready to be put back in the warehouse. Shortly after the condition report process is completed, the customer will receive a notification of completion through email. This will contain a link to view the report online. The process to set up this notification is explained later on in this video. Let's go to the item that is awaiting put away. We can put away the item from the condition booth to the warehouse location using the paper and flex method. If using the paper method where flex was not used to collect the stocks, the same outstanding condition report request list is used again. The list has the location from where we have taken the item. In this method, after taking pictures, we put the item back in the same location from where we picked it. Now, let's learn the steps to put back the item from the condition reporting booth to the warehouse location using Flex. Going back to the stock condition menu in Flex, we can see the number of rotations awaiting put away. Press that button to see the list of rotations. In the awaiting put away screen, you will see the list of items that are in the condition report location. Here we can scan the rotations that we wish to put back or enter them manually, then click enter. The selected rotations will be displayed under the section selected to put away. When you press the button put away, it will take you to the CR location move screen. The information button tells the user of the previous warehouse locations where the rotations were previously stored. This is useful if you wish to put the rotations back where they came from. Select how you would like to drop the rotation. These options are explained in the previous video. Here we will drop all rotations. Scan or type in the location name where to store the rotations. Now click the drop button. The item is now successfully dropped off at the location you gave. The process is now complete. The item has now disappeared from the Overview and Flex tabs in warehousing. Please note that at any point, even without having a request previously logged, the New Report Entry button can be used to create a condition report. After finishing the condition report process, the customer can access the report using these four ways. By clicking the link in the email notification sent to them, which opens the report on the CIS website, by browsing the report manually on the CIS website, by manually generating the report in warehousing and sending through email, retrieving the report from the API from a third-party system. Let's go to the warehousing first. In the navigation panel, under the Customize section, click Customer. In the filter option, give the customer code, name, or any other details, then click Search. The customer maintenance window will be opened. Go to the Contact tab and click the Others button. The Contact Notification Settings window will open. Tick the checkbox for Condition Report Complete. When the new condition reports are ready, a notification of completion email will be sent to this customer contact. To browse for the report in the CIS website, log into your account and go to the Stock tab. Search for your completed condition report by giving the product code and rotation number or by using the selecting the completed condition report status. Now click the View Condition Report icon on the left side of the rotation. A new window will pop up in which you have options for downloading and emailing the report. To manually generate and email the report from warehousing, open the condition reporting screen and click the Search and View tab. Enter the details to fetch the report using the Search button. In the email address field, give the address to which the report is to be sent. Click Email Report to send the condition report including images to the email address provided. The final way of retrieving the reports is through the CIS API. In conjunction with the release of the updated website, an API will be available for customers to obtain images directly from the system. This is an electronic system whereby the customer requests the images and the delivery method, and they are sent to the customer through email or other digital options. Here we explained the majority of methods and options available for condition reporting in warehousing and Flex. Further information can be obtained on our wiki help pages. Thank you for watching the video.